Ratan Tata is a name that resonates with determination, innovation, and philanthropy. His life story is a testament to the power of resilience and the pursuit of excellence. Through the highs and lows of his journey, Ratan Tata has not only transformed the Tata Group into a global conglomerate but has also inspired millions with his unwavering commitment to making the world a better place. Early life and education. Ratan Naval Tata was born on December 28, 1937, into the illustrious Tata family. Despite being born with a silver spoon, he faced personal tragedies at a young age when his parents separated. This early setback instilled in him a sense of self-reliance and resilience. Ratan Tata pursued his education at some of the finest institutions in India and abroad. He completed his undergraduate studies in architecture from Cornell University and later earned a management degree from Harvard Business School. His academic achievements laid the foundation for his future endeavors. Joining the Tata Group. In 1962, Ratan Tata joined the Tata Group, a sprawling conglomerate founded by his great-grandfather, Jamsetji Tata. He began his career on the shop floor, working in various Tata companies to gain a thorough understanding of the business. This hands-on approach set him apart and prepared him for greater responsibilities. Challenges and triumphs. Ratan Tata faced his first major challenge when he took over Tata Motors in 1991. The company was struggling with outdated models and fierce competition. He envisioned a car for the common man, which eventually led to the development of the Tata Indica, India's first indigenously produced passenger car. This innovative move transformed the Indian automotive industry and made the Tata Nano a symbol of affordable mobility. Global expansion. Under Ratan Tata's leadership, the Tata Group expanded globally, acquiring iconic brands such as Jaguar Land Rover and Chorus Steel. These strategic acquisitions catapulted the group onto the global stage, showcasing Ratan Tata's vision and determination to compete at an international level. Philanthropy and social responsibility. What truly sets Ratan Tata apart is his commitment to philanthropy and social responsibility. He firmly believes that businesses should be a force for good. The Tata Trusts, one of the oldest philanthropic organizations in India, have been instrumental in various social and community development projects, including healthcare, education, and rural upliftment. Challenges and resilience. Ratan Tata faced personal and professional challenges throughout his career. The 2008 global financial crisis tested his leadership as the Tata Group faced financial difficulties. Still, he navigated through the storm with strategic divestments and a focus on core businesses. His ability to remain calm under pressure and make tough decisions is a lesson in leadership. Legacy and inspiration. As Ratan Tata retired in 2012, he left behind a legacy that goes beyond business success. His story is one of perseverance, innovation, and social responsibility. He continues to inspire entrepreneurs, leaders, and individuals around the world. His journey reminds us that setbacks are stepping stones to success and that one person can make a significant impact on society. Conclusion. Ratan Tata's life story is a remarkable narrative of a man who transformed adversity into opportunity and leveraged his resources for the greater good. His journey teaches us that success is not measured solely by wealth but by the positive impact we make on the world. Ratan Tata's legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, motivating them to dream big, work hard, and make a difference in the world. If you found this story of Ratan Tata's inspirational journey captivating and motivating, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more inspiring content. Your support helps us continue sharing stories that can make a positive impact. Thank you.